Let's take a look at this beautiful lamp that PARTPHONER sent me to take a look at. First and foremost, I really love this design. It's got this beautiful textured patina. It just gives it this really nice kind of farmhouse vibe. It's just this sort of natural finish, maybe organic modern. It's gorgeous. And let me just turn this off because I want to show you the color here. It's kind of a grayish white, and it would look really good with neutrals. It also looks good set against a darker paint and darker wood. This honestly would look great in almost any setting. It's just a really nice neutral lamp with a super elegant linen lampshade, and you can see the brass hardware that comes with it. And let me just show you how you turn the lamp on and off here. It is just your standard light switch here, and it just has this really stunning base. It actually is pretty heavy duty. It weighs about 5 pounds. One thing I really love about this company is their commitment to making energy efficient lamps as well. This is so perfect for me right here because we actually are going to leave this on all the time for safety, and it's just stunningly beautiful. Really elevates my space. Definitely one to check out.